Looking to supercharge your gaming or performance laptop? Upgrading to DDR5 SODIMM memory modules offers faster speeds, larger capacities, and lower power consumption, perfect for handling demanding games, heavy workloads, and multitasking with ease. These DDR5 modules are designed with an industry-standard SODIMM form factor, making them compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD systems. Whether you have a gaming laptop, a small form factor PC, or an Intel NUC kit, this upgrade fits seamlessly and unlocks new levels of performance. Installation is straightforward and requires just a screwdriver for most laptops. Plus, the VENGEANCE SODIMM automatically runs at maximum speed on compatible systems, so you get faster load times and smoother multitasking without fiddling in your BIOS settings. Users have praised this upgrade for its reliability and ease of use. One Lenovo Legion 5i Pro owner shared how the upgrade worked flawlessly after following some simple steps, like disabling the battery in BIOS and cleaning the memory slots with compressed air before installation. These tips can help avoid common hiccups and ensure a smooth experience. Every module undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee top-notch performance and dependability. That means you're not just upgrading speed, you're investing in stable, long-lasting memory that keeps your system running strong even under pressure. If you want your laptop to handle more demanding software and games without slowing down, this DDR5 SODIMM upgrade delivers exactly what you need. It's a practical way to extend your device's lifespan and boost everyday responsiveness. Worth a look if you're ready to get more from your laptop without replacing the whole system. Whether it's for gaming, content creation, or multitasking, this upgrade makes a noticeable difference in speed and efficiency. Try the VENGEANCE DDR5 SODIMM memory upgrade when you're ready to unlock your laptop's full potential. Faster speeds, greater capacity, and proven reliability are just a screwdriver away.